Hello friends, and welcome to Princy's Authentic Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a recipe what I learned from my mother-in-law, and this is a Sri Lankan Sinhalese coconut pittu. So I will show you step by step how to make this delicious pittu. 2 cups of rice flour, 1.5 cups of coconut grated, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of water. Go ahead and add the salt and the water. So what you're going to do is just kind of squeeze the milk out from the coconut, and then going to be adding the flour gradually. So, and then just like so, just shift your hands through, add the flour, and just keep on doing it till it comes to small pieces. You feel it like kind of wet, just you can add a little bit more of the roasted rice flour, and just keep on mixing it up. Pretty decent size like that. Gonna add a little bit more flour. So this is it, guys, it's done. So I'm going to show you the next step is to steam this. This is it. So just right in here, just take some of the flour mix that what we made, put it in here. So I have a water boiling, so I'm going to go ahead and place this on, and I'm going to leave it for maybe 3 to 4 minutes till this, so the steam will come from here. Then you'll know it's ready. So as you can see, the steam is coming out. I was boiling this for about maybe 3 or 4 minutes, and it's done. So I'm just going to take this out and I'm going to show you the rest. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the Sri Lankan style pittu, but this is actually made by Sinhalese people, and I learned this, like I said earlier, I learned this from my mother-in-law, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please do try these recipes, and if you guys like my video, please hit like, subscribe, comment. Till then, I'll see you in my next video.